It's early spring in the high desert garden. As the days grow longer and the temperature gets warmer, signs of life emerge alongside survivors of winter's bitter cold. Today I'm going to show you how things fared over the winter in my garden and how this will change how I plant certain cool season crops in the future. It's such an exciting time as life starts waking up from a deep winter sleep. The rose bushes start the season off as they begin to display their beautiful red and green leaves. Buds have started to appear in the trees, renewing my hope for the garden this season. Many of my plants were tough enough to withstand the harsh cold temperatures. These survivors include cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, and lettuce. These were planted in late summer and became strong enough to survive the frosty weather. Onions and garlic were planted in late fall and have done really well throughout the winter as well. The high desert does get freezing temperatures, and when it does, the cold weather crops like the brassicas basically come to a halt. Our winters are otherwise pretty moderate overall. As the days get longer, these plants love the warmth and sun of the day and the chill of the night. As an added bonus, the cooler temperatures mean that the plants suffer from little to no bug damage. For this reason, my favorite way now of growing cool weather vegetables is to start them in late summer. The heat of the summer helps them grow fast and strong, and helps them withstand the upcoming winter. One thing that is almost certain in the high desert is a surprise late frost. Just when you think warmer days are here to stay, a couple of snowy or freezing nights come through and can put vulnerable plants at risk. I knew my brassicas would be okay, however, as they rode out the entire winter without any issues. Sure enough, they did absolutely fine and are thriving. In fact, they seem invigorated. Most of my soil is topped with a good, thick layer of wood chip mulch and compost. I'm a big believer in mulching the garden, especially when dealing with such weather extremes. This makes it much easier on the plants to overwinter. Shredded cedar is my favorite type of wood chip mulch to use in the garden. When I'm preparing my soil for the new season, I like to add worm castings, compost, and regular cow manure. This is a great time to get your soil ready by refreshing it by adding compost and fertilizer and adding mulch if you so wish. This will allow time for everything to come together for you when you're ready for planting. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.